So here we are at Springfield looking at some Kitchen of the Future pieces. And the first piece here is the combi oven. Several other restaurants have the combi. And Melissa's going to explain briefly what it's for. You can open it up if you want.
Okay. So the combi oven does everything that the smoker and the kettle used to do. In the combi, we roast jalapenos, we cook our onions, our bell peppers, we cook all of our bacon products, pasta, rice, mashed potatoes, and we smoke our ribs. So it's a smoker as well as a convection oven, a steamer, and it uses forced hot air as well in its cooking process. The best thing ever about the machine is that it's self-cleaning. So once you've done all your work for the day, you just push a button over there on the menu and the machine will clean itself. It has three different cleaning cycles. As you can see, all the items here that we cook in it. It has 3 different cleaning cycles. It has a daily cleaning, it has a rib cleaning, and it has a weekly cleaning. So once a week, there's a little bit more maintenance to it, but the machine does clean itself. And once it runs through the cycle, everything through its cleaning cycle and everything. These are its racks and its pans.
And have you seen any difference in the food quality?
The difference in food quality is absolutely amazing. The onions and bell peppers, not only for the consistency, but the way that the flavor is distributed with seasoned salt on the bell peppers and the fajita onion marinade throughout the fajita onions. The bacon is all cooked consistently. The wings don't shrink anymore like they did when we cooked them in the fryer. They all come out plump and juicy. The chicken for the quesadillas and the nachos comes out, it's plump, it's juicy, it's tender. Huge difference there.
Awesome. Okay, so moving on to the rethermalizer, Melissa.
Okay, right next to our combi sits our rethermalizer, which is utilized for heating chubs of product. And the bags, they're thawed, sit in these little cradles and sit down in the hot water here. The loose bags that you see, this product was frozen when it went in here. So you can take the chubs right out of the freezer and put them directly into the rethermalizer. We also utilize the rethermalizer to heat our mashed potatoes. This is a 6-pan liner of mashed potatoes within another 6-pan liner. The outer bag is tied, the inner bag is not. You set this down into the rethermalizer and it gets it right up to temp as well. Best thing about this is you always have a hot backup of soup. So once you take your soups up to the line, then you've got a hot backup here, ready to go when you need it to go up front. So now we're up on fry side, and we're at our crispy station, which this is the first unit that was installed as part of our KOF. And as you can see, there are bins here for each of the different foods that we're allowed to cook and then hold hot. We can hold 20 crispers, 20 CC crispers, 36 BB wings, 9 egg rolls, or 6 CFCHs. And all of this is to improve the speed of service. So things will come in on the KDS screen telling the cook to cook bulk. Bulk is what they're cooking to go into the hot holding unit.
Okay, so we're on the line looking at some of the different components, the new pieces of KOF.
Okay, so this new cooler is the pre-Pinger cooler, and it's got all the cold items in it that we need to stage to go into the new oven. We have our raw chicken down here, 6 ounces and 8 ounces. And in the top drawer, we have our racks of ribs. And then up top, we have our nacho fixins, we have our cheese, our ham, and our turkey for our lunch sandwiches, our ranch and our ancho ranch for the quesadillas as well. And something very different, we have mashed black beans in here cold. So they get spread onto the nacho rounds cold. And we also have a refrigerator down here, which is actually used for staging. And these are called presets. These are sorry, they got loud. This is a ham sandwich preset, so we can set these up ahead of time so that when the lunch rush comes, we can just slide these right into the oven. And then this is quesadillas. And this is all set, ready to go. We just spice it right before it goes into the oven. Okay, several different pans that we use for the oven. 1/8 sheets, 1/4 sheets, and then 1/2 sheets. The tiny ones are just used for the salmon and the shrimp. These are used for small orders of nachos and the lunch quesadillas. Then these are used for full orders of quesadillas and full orders of nachos. There are also grill pans, which are just used for the raw chicken. The smaller pans are used for when you're cooking 1 or 2 pieces of chicken. And then the larger pans are used for bulk chicken. Okay?
So we're gonna send those through?
We're gonna send these through the oven, okay? Because this is just 2 pieces of chicken, this is going through the CTX bottom. Place it right on the edge here, and you're gonna let the machine take it away. The bulk chicken is going through the top of the CTX. We're gonna set that right on there and let the oven pull it in.
Perfect.
Okay?
No more flipping and playing.
No more flipping and playing. The top of the CTX oven carries the trays through. It takes a total of 8.3 minutes. The CTX bottom takes 6.8 minutes, and then the Impinger oven at the bottom takes 2.4 minutes to carry the trays through. So through the top of the CTX, we send our bulk chicken and our salmon. The bottom of the CTX is for your smaller pans of chicken and your baby back ribs. And then the Impinger oven at the bottom is for your quesadillas, nachos, Texas cheese fries, spin dip,
Sandwiches.
your lunch combo sandwiches, kid cheese, and bean burgers.
Where did the burgers and steaks go?
Burgers and steaks are over on the flat top.
They're still there.
There they go. This is an ACT unit, which is a hot holding unit. It has 4 separate drawers in it. So when our bulk foods come in, we cook them, and then we hold them in these drawers. Place the food in the drawers, place the drawer in its slot, and then they all have timers. This is for your burgers and your bites, which can all hold for 15 minutes. The burgers that go in here are medium well when they go in here, so they are sold as medium well and well done burgers. If somebody wants a rare or medium or a medium rare, we cook it to order. Right next to that is our fun cheese melting device. So when we have a burger that requires cheese, the burger and the cheese or the chicken sandwich goes in here as well with the cheese, and then you just slide this in here, and in 30 seconds your cheese is
So
melted.
here's our chicken coming out of the CTX oven. 700 degrees inside. I believe it gets up to 700 degrees. And you can see the chicken cooked perfectly. And if you were to cut it open right now, it'd be nice and juicy. There you go. So where are the grill marks?
There they are.
There they are. These pans are specially formulated and created to create the grill marks on one side, which will be the presentation side.
You see what I'm doing?
See? This is flipping. There you go. Very nice.
So there's a big difference in the way that we're serving our fajitas now. There are these 2 induction ovens up here on the line, and the fajita is actually sold into the salad nacho window on the skillet all ready to go. So we're going to grab the skillet and we're going to put it on the induction oven. It's already turned on, and we're going to wait while it sizzles.
Okay.
Okay?
Green light is flashing.
Green light is flashing 70 seconds later, and our fajita is ready to sell.
Sizzling.
So we're going to put a skillet warmer on it, even though we don't have to.
Makes it pretty.
We're going to put our sizzle sauce on it, and we're going to sell it. And it's going to sizzle.
DJ, sell it to the dining room. Take it for a walk.
You don't take it for a walk.